Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is day 11 of 45 days DAX challenge. Today I'm going to discuss SUMX function in pub DAX, and I'll tell you in detailed like why SUMX is better than sum, and when and in which case we should use SUMX function. So without any delay, let's jump to Power BI desktop. But if you are here for the first time, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Be with me till end of this video. Be with me till end of this 45 days DAX challenge. I make sure you will have clear understanding of each and every DAX function which I am going to discuss for the next 45 days. Fine, so let's jump to Power BI desktop and see SUMX function in detail. So here I'm on Power BI desktop, but before I discuss anything, I'll tell you what is SUMX. Basically the basic definition of SUMX. So SUMX is an iterator function. So if any function is ending with x, such as SUMX, minx, maxx, averagex, these functions are iterator functions. Okay, I'll discuss all these functions going forward, but today let's focus on SUMX function. So SUMX function is an iterator function. Okay, it goes row by row, like it calculate one row at a time, and it will go still like one rows at a time, then second row, then third row till end, and at the end then it will sum up the calculation and will give the final output, final result. Fine, so this is the basically how we write SUMX, then asking for table, and then it is asking for expression. I think it's a bit confusing, but don't worry, I'll discuss everything in detail. So I'll show you the table first. So I have taken one sales table, and in the sales table we have few products, quantity and respective price for each product. Let's say I want to calculate the total amount spent on all the products. That is nothing but for mouse we can say 13 into 430, and earphone we can say 21 into 243, and similarly till last. And at the end I want to calculate the total amount spent on to buying all these 5 products. So in this case, like, we will use SUMX function. So without any delay, let's see. So I'll create one new column. You can use measure also, that's not an issue. So I'll say, let's say total revenue. Okay, total revenue SUMX. See, SUMX asking for two arguments. First one is table, second is expression, and you can read the expression. Returns the sum of an expression evaluated for each row in a table, so one row at a time. Okay, so the table name is sales table, and what I want the total amount. So how we can calculate total amount? That is nothing but quantity multiplied by price. So that is what I'm going to write here, quantity into price. Okay, if I press enter, okay, I have already this use. See, we got this 48,148. This is nothing but this 13 into 430 plus 21 into 243 plus 17 into 876 plus 21 into 943 plus 8 into 345. Okay, I hope you understand. You can still calculate this 48,148 using sum as well, but that is long process, and which I'll not recommend. Okay, like how you can calculate, let's see. I'll calculate for you. So I'll say revenue equal to quantity into price. See, so we got like 13 into 430, 21 into 243. Now what I'll do is I'll sum up this column, like revenue column. So I'll say total revenue equal to sum of what? Sum of this column which just I created. See, we got the same output, but here one extra step we have taken, that is not efficient. Okay, so directly you can use SUMX function wherever like these type of things we required, like to calculate total revenue, to calculate uh, something related to multiply or sum, anything. I hope you understood. Still, if you have any doubt, please comment your doubt into the comment section. I'll look each and every comment, each and every doubt which are commented by you. Fine. Till then, take care. We will meet soon. Bye.